Have you ever wondered whether Venmo or Revolut is the better choice for managing your money? In this video, we're breaking down both platforms, comparing their key features, limitations, and helping you decide which one fits your lifestyle best. Let's kick things off with Venmo. Venmo is designed primarily for peer-to-peer payments in the United States. It's perfect for paying friends back, splitting restaurant bills, or handling small social transactions. One major reassurance with Venmo is that it's owned by PayPal, giving users a strong sense of security and familiarity with online payments. Venmo also includes an optional social feed, letting you share or view payment activity among friends. Transfers to a linked bank account are free and usually take 1 to 3 business days. If you want your money instantly, there's a fee of about 1.75%, capped at $25. Payments with a credit card will add a 3% fee, so most users stick to bank transfers or debit cards. On top of that, Venmo offers both debit and credit cards, as well as access to cryptocurrency trading. The biggest drawback, however, is availability. Venmo only works within the United States, so it isn't ideal for international travel or global transactions. Now, let's take a look at Revolut. Revolut shines when it comes to international use. It supports multiple currency accounts, competitive exchange rates, and smooth global transfers, making it especially useful for travelers, freelancers, and remote workers. Revolut isn't just for sending money either. It functions more like a digital bank with financial management tools built right into the app. Revolut also supports cryptocurrency trading and stock investments, making it attractive for users who want more than simple money transfers. Standard transfers are free, and you'll find premium plans that offer extra perks like travel insurance, advanced security features, and higher withdrawal limits. The main downside is that some of the more advanced benefits require one of these paid premium tiers, which aren't always cheap. So which one should you choose? If your needs are simple, sending and receiving money domestically inside the US, Venmo is probably the better fit. It's social, simple, and straightforward. But if you travel often, send money internationally, or want access to multiple currencies and investment tools, Revolut becomes a stronger option. Both platforms are secure, both are easy to use, and both have their advantages. Your decision really depends on how and where you plan to use your money. Hopefully, this breakdown helped you decide which app is right for you. If you found this comparison useful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more tech and finance tips, and drop a comment below telling us which platform you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.